सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है, जन्मभूमि है हमारी, शान से कहेंगे हम, सब ही तो भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है।
But for this Republic Day, the 65th celebrations at Unity Health Complex, we have with us Shri Ananta Krishna as our chief guest. On the same breath, I extend a warm welcome to beloved Chairman Sir, to our distinguished guests, to our directors, esteemed doctors, admin team, principal and faculty, nursing staff, students, and all of you gathered here for today's celebrations. Have a great day. Jai Hind.
On this occasion, we want to felicitate some of the doctors who have been a part of our growth all these years. As you all know well, many a time I was trying to communicate with you what is integrity. Without integrity, nothing works. And here is a man with full integrity. And this integrity is seen in the results of the bank. Even recently, quarterly result they declared, they said the best dividend they are given. All these doctors, Dr. K.R. Shetty, Dr. Devadigam, Dr. C.R. Kamath, Dr. Usman, Dr. Nallipai, Dr. P.N. Krishnamurthy, Dr. A. Shetty, Dr. Singh, all these senior doctors have been the role model and the guide for our healthcare system in this region. Unity Health Complex played a role in bridging this gap between the consultants and the patients. We are celebrating 65th Republic Day. India is a very large country with a history of civilization, tradition, values, culture that has withstood the test of time. Today, India is known among the Community of Nations mainly because of our population. The real power of India is the people power. China, though neighbor, a strong country, do not have this democracy. We, the people of India, it's not somebody else who is sitting and doing that. We mean all of us together. We do what is good for us. We decide what is good for us. We will visualize our future. And if you are good, you rule the country. If you are not good, please give chance to somebody else. That has been our tradition, that has been our culture, and we have been well recognized among the various Committee of Nations in all areas. Doctors play a major role in this healthcare delivery system. As I said earlier, we didn't have all these eminent doctors of today what we see, lot of specialists and super specialists. We had the best institution in Mangalore or in Manipal, that is Kasturi Medical College. If I always give some reference and consideration among my teachings and education, I give to late Dr. T.M. Pai. He laid the foundation of healthcare in this region. And if Mangalore is known, at that time it was known for banking, but today it is known for healthcare and education. And the foundation was laid by late Dr. T.M. Pai. As early as in 1970, when there are no super specialities in the region, and these super specialists or specialists of this region, in the venous facilities, Dr. A.V. Shetty and Dr. K.R. Shetty took the initiative of starting Mangalore Medical Trust. That is, in the Venlock Hospital, a private trust was formed to do super specialty services. The first cardiac surgery in Mangalore was not done in a private hospital as you see today. It was done in the Venlock Hospital. And that was because of the initiative of these doctors who are sitting next to us. They have played a very major role in the development of this region, not only in their respective area of speciality, but also collectively how healthcare could be given the best form to the people of this region. Today, we are honoring them because of their not only area of speciality, but also the character, the personality they are given to the particular area of their chosen field, along with integrity, commitment and sacrifice. The meaningful role played by my sons Azmal and Ashfaq has further strengthened our institution, and today we are able to continue the same momentum which we have been giving there. It is easy to build an institution or easy to become rich, but to sustain wealthy and to remain continuously successful is more challenging and very difficult. It is where we are able to maintain ourselves in the limelight along with the public for the last 3 decades. The past is over, now the future. The future will be decided by next generation. Wish all of you a very happy Republic Day. And especially we thank Ananthakrishnan for your presence. Ananthakrishnan and myself had a common platform to share with our thoughts in a TV program. It was a privilege for me. Today I am equally privileged to be with him along with all of you. We thank you again. Thank you, Ananda. May our country prosper. Thank you.